Welcome to Glow Hair Care's channel. Our client has come in today to get her regular scheduled trim. She mentioned that her hair hasn't been cooperating and is in need of a reshape. After assessing her hair, we advised for her to get a protein treatment due to her hair feeling weak. This will also help her curls bounce back. We are starting her off with a clarifying shampoo using our Gentle Clarify shampoo. This is fortified with herbs to heal and cleanse the scalp. Here is where we will be adding the protein treatment. We are using our well-formulated blend of different penetrating proteins and amino acids. These will help strengthen and rejuvenate her strands. We are going to have her dry under a hooded dryer without a processing cap. The product needs to dry on the strands, helping to build and strengthen the hair. Here we are fully rinsing out the product before we add our softening shampoo. This shampoo is going to build back in the moisture. When using protein, hair can feel dry, so we like to shampoo with a moisturizing shampoo to help aid in the moisture before conditioning. Her hair already feels better. Listen to what she says now.
I can already feel the difference.
Yeah.
loves it with less volume, for a smoother look and longer wear. To achieve this, you can wrap your hair to calm down the curl.